Hi guys, if you're looking for how you can download and install R and Rstudio, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to download and install the latest version of R and Rstudio from the official website on your Windows 10 machine correctly. And I'm also gonna show you how you can run one sample R program in Rstudio. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we will download and install R. For that, copy link number 1. I have provided this link in the video description. Now, open up your favorite web browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. This is the official page for downloading R for Windows. Now, click on this download for Windows link. And now you can see our R installer exe file is started downloading here. It's around 83.6 megabyte file. It will take some time to download. All depend on your internet connection speed. Our R installer exe file is downloaded successfully. Now click on show in folder. Let me expand the window. Now simply right click on this file and select Run as Administrator. Let me minimize all windows so that we can focus on installation part. Select your preferred language. By default it is set to English and I am selecting English here. Click on OK. This is the important information about R. You can scroll down and read. Now click on Next. Here it is asking for installation directory. You can change it if you like. Just make sure at least 25 MB of free disk space is available. I am recommending you to stick to default. Press on the next button. Next again. We will just stick to the default here. Click on next. Next again. Click on create a desktop shortcut. Click on next here. It will start the installation process. It will take some time to complete. And finally click on finish. We have successfully installed R on our Windows 10 machine. Now we need to install Rstudio. Copy the second link. Go back to your browser and open up new tab. Paste the copied link into the address bar and hit enter. This is the official page for downloading different versions of Rstudio like Rstudio Desktop Free version, Rstudio Desktop for commercial use, Rstudio Server and Rstudio Server Pro. We want to install the Rstudio Desktop Free version. To download it, click on this blue download button. It will redirect you to Rstudio download page. If you scroll down a little bit, then you see the setup file of Rstudio for Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu and etc. Scroll up again, click on Download Rstudio for Windows button. And now you can see our Rstudio installer exe file is started downloading here. It's around 164 megabyte file at the time of recording. It will take some time to download. All depends on your internet connection speed. Our Rstudio installer setup file is downloaded successfully. Click on show in folder. We need to install this file. Right click on this file and select Run as Administrator and it will start the setup wizard. Now it's pretty much straightforward here, like next, finish stuff. Click on next, choose your destination folder. I'll keep this as default. Click on next again. And finally click on install button. It will take some time to install. And finally click on finish button. And it's all done here. We have successfully installed Rstudio on our Windows 10 machine. To open Rstudio, All you need to do is click on Window button and type RStudio and hit enter. Now right click on RStudio and run as administrator. It will launch the RStudio. Let me maximize it. Let's quickly clear the console by pressing Edit and then click on Clear Console. Now I'll show you how you can print basic message in RStudio. Type print, subscribe us, and press enter. That's it guys, you can see subscribe us message is printed here. If you are interested in learning more about R language, then be sure to check out our Beginners R language course at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to learn how to code and become a successful programmer. Check out this playlist of my top 5 videos of Beginners R footsteps, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.